So then it goes against the grain. Well, we're not done
man,
yet. We got some more yet. Okay.
It feels so nice.
Oh wait, yeah, it's gonna be smooth to move when we're done. You're gonna feel like it's gliding on ice skates. Before it was ratchety and real jumpy. There we go. There we go. Okay. So you're just gonna relax over here, right into my. There we go.
It's crazy.
That's a great class.
Okay, wait a minute. Wow. It's just, I need to come see you more often. That is so good.
What's going to be the biggest difference, you'll notice once we are done, will be the smoothness of looking around that you weren't realizing it wasn't there. We're not there yet. That's already further.
Nice.
Go on your back for me.